Welcome back to my channel, Chef Pro. So, guys, today I've got a very delicate and very nice recipe for you. This recipe is called a fruit salad, and fruit salads come in various types, but this is a little diet type of one. And there's a bunch of diet fruit salads, but this one you must try, guys, because when I had it, I was in heaven. I was enjoying the salad, and I'm just going to show you how it's going to be made. So first we're going to take some sago balls, and in Hindi this is called sabudana. So guys, if you know what this is, then definitely add it, but don't worry if it is not available around you, try to search, because by adding this it's very good for your health. And if it's not there, then don't worry, don't add it. And then we're going to be adding some mosambi, and mosambi is very delicious, that's why I added it. Some grapes, and now these are a few variety of fruits I've taken. So as you can see, I've taken watermelon, cut it into some cubes, because the cubes will be better. And if you're going to cut it in big pieces, then it's going to be hard to eat it. But if you cut it in cubes, you can eat it easily with the milk. That's why I'm cutting it into cubes. Otherwise, I would have cut it into a little bit of big pieces. So as you can see, it's done. Then we're going to be adding some banana. Banana is very high in protein. That's why I'm adding it. So definitely add banana because it's available everywhere, guys. Then add some lychee, and I've taken off the skin and I'm taking off the seed now, because you don't want to add the seed in there, otherwise while eating it you can forget and get choked, right? And if some child, some kid around you is going to be eating it, is going to be consuming it, they could get choked as well. So do take out the seed. Now we're going to be adding something that is also very good for protein and very good for energy and stamina. That is a mango. That also, as you can see, it's a very big size mango, so that's why I've only taken one mango. And now I'm gonna chop it up into a small cubes, guys. So as you can see, I've chopped it up into small cubes. And then you just follow this method, because a lot of people don't actually know how to do this. So as you can see how I'm cutting it in cubes, if you do this, then your mango will be cut into proper cubes, and you'll be learning new skills and learning new recipes as well, guys. So I've cut it up, and don't add the mango seed. As you know, we cannot pick that up with a spoon, and if we eat it also, we have to use a hand. Otherwise, if you want to add it, you have to eat it with your hand. Then I'm adding a full box of coconut milk, and this is very healthy, guys, very healthy. I literally drink coconut milk sometimes because it's very healthy, and a lot of people don't like the taste, but honestly the taste is good, and it's very high in protein as well. And then I'm adding a packet of milk, that's 500 ml of milk. And don't add 1 liter, it will become too much. Try to add more fruits and add a little less milk, so you're going to enjoy it. And just you're just going to enjoy it, man. My feelings when I see this recipe, when I eat this recipe, I just love it. And I'm adding some what is this? This is condensed milk, guys. So add the condensed milk, give it a nice mix, and enjoy this. Trust me, guys, you're going to enjoy this. And once you try this recipe, guys, just tell me in the comments how did you like it. I know you're going to enjoy it. So that's it for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Do like, subscribe, share. Bye bye, guys.